What is up, you guys? It's Fabian from the Jans Journal, and right now I have another amazing spot to show you guys in the Netherlands. All the way on that side is Belgium, and on this side we have the province Zeeland, which means Zeeland, and take a look. So this is the start of the province, and it has a lot of little small islands over there. And right now, as you can see, the water is really low, so I'm going to take out a drone and see how beautiful it looks from the sky.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.